it's Gina with WTI. And if you've ever experienced the frustration of having ties on blinds break or tangle up, then you're going to love having a set of motorized blinds from JOYENG. These can be controlled by the touch of a button on the remote that comes with it, an app, or even with voice commands because these are smart blinds. Some things I really appreciate about JOYENG is that they are very fast with their customization, and the blinds come very well packaged, so you don't have to worry about them being damaged in transit. I love the quality of these blinds. The fabric itself has a thermal insulating layer and they're waterproof. I got the color textured flax, although there are lots of different colors to choose from, and I appreciate that this is very true to color as to what I saw on my computer screen. These are rechargeable and come with a cord to do so, so you don't have to worry about replacing batteries. And I think it's cool that these can do standard or reverse roll. You don't have to choose one or the other when you order them. I love that there's clear instructions from the manufacturer on how to set limits on the blind or even customize it by having favorites set. I wanted my small window to appear bigger, so I got an oversized blind, and I just love how it keeps it very blackout so that nobody can see in my house, and it helps to cut down on light in the house. I couldn't be more pleased with this blind, and that's my point of view.